Alright, what is up, boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below for the comment section, really helps out the channel. And also make sure you go and sign up down below to Blofin, just partnered with them, a new exchange. KYC, no KYC required. You get a 300 USDT deposit bonus, I believe, when you deposit a small amount. I think you can win a Tesla as well. There's all kinds of competitions going on there over the next few weeks, so make sure to go sign up. As I said, it's totally free. And I do think we are going to see some really nice competitions and opportunities coming out of them pretty soon. I'm going to be doing some community giveaways, etc. over the next month or so, so make sure to get involved there down below. So taking a quick look at Polygon then on our daily time frame, as we can see, looking like we are continuing the downtrend for Polygon here. You can see very overextended to the downside right now, near the bottom of this big bear market range we've been in for Polygon. Right now looking like it wants to push and continue downwards, but we are getting very overextended now in the markets. And in my opinion, it's pretty hard to see that we continue to the downside at any length of time. As we can see here for Polygon right now, we are basically just coming down again, trying to make a new lower low, starting to do this thing where you basically have a little bounce and then another lower low. But you can see obviously the bearish divergences are non-existent. We're looking at bullish divergences all over the place right now, starting to do something like this, in my opinion, where we're just starting to get that scooped bottom. I do think we're going to see relief in the altcoin space soon, and Polygon is going to be included in that. Right now it's looking quite overextended to the downside, as you can see, but I do think it's going to have its time in the sun as we get into the bull market. Bitcoin new all-time high over the next few months, and then beyond that we're going to see altcoin relief and a nice altcoin season and rally, in my opinion. So let's see what we can do.